is Aparna, your maths master teacher at Vedantu. So very warm welcome to outstanding session on RS Agrawal questions. So if you're coming for the very first time on our channel, do hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. With our motto Jhoom Barabar Jhoom, maths ki sari problem zoom, we are going to boom RS Agrawal questions again. So question number 1 is in front of you guys. So today I want to tell you that we are going to focus on doing the questions with the help of formulas. Alright, so we are all done with the concepts. We are all done with the how to do a question with the help of concepts. Now we are going to do and focus on the formulas of the chapters. Okay, so today we are going to do the questions effectively with the help of formulas. So today let's start question number 1. Find the measure of each interior angle of a regular polygon having 10 sides and 15 sides. So you are aware of the formula which we use in order to find out the each angle of the interior angle. But today I am going to help you guys to do this question with another formula. So for a regular polygon with n sides, if you know what is the each exterior angle, then you can find the each interior angle with the help of 180 degree minus each exterior angle. देखो, अगर आपको निकालना है each interior angle का सम या मेजर, आपको पता होना चाहिए एक एक्सटीरियर एंगल का मेजर and just minus कर दो 180 से and you will get each interior angle of that polygon with n sides. I'm talking about n sides, any polygon. Okay, so first we have a polygon with 10 sides. So we have a polygon that is having 10 sides. So according to the formula, we need to find out the each exterior angle of the 10 sides of the polygon. So we know the sum of exterior angle is equal to 360. So each formula हो गया, that is 360 divided by n, that is 10 here. Okay, so 360 degree upon 10 is equal to 36. I hope it is clear. Now you have found out what is exactly the each exterior angle of a polygon having 10 sides. Now can you find out the each interior angle? Yes. So 180 degree minus 36, that is 144. So you must be wondering, ma'am, why this new formula? Because I want to grow your knowledge. I want you to think in a broader way. You should know each and everything about this chapter. Alright, so now for a polygon with 15 sides. Same. First find out the each exterior angle of that polygon. So that is 360 degree upon 15 because n is 15 here. So 360 degree upon n is each exterior angle. So that is 24. Now if you know the each exterior angle of a polygon, तो क्या भाई आप निकाल सकते हो interior angle? Of course. So 180 degree minus 24, that is 156. Isn't that simple? Do let me know if you have loved this formula or not. Okay, do use these types of formulas in your frequently used and when you do practices, right? So guys, you need to practice all the types of questions with different formulas in order to have the clarity of this particular chapter. Okay guys, question number 2. What is the number of diagonals in a heptagon, octagon, polygon of a 12 sides? Now guys, I am going to tell you that for this I have a very simple formula. I know you guys must be aware of this formula. For those who don't know, I want to tell you, if you need to find out the number of diagonals in an n-sided polygon, that means any polygon, then you just need to put the formula n minus 3 upon 2. That's it. Just remember this formula. In order to find out the number of diagonals in an n-sided polygon, just use this formula n minus 3 upon 2. That's it. and you are done for that. So you have a heptagon first. So heptagon has 7 sides. So n will be equal to 7. So use the formula in order to find out the number of diagonals, that is n minus 3 upon 2. So 7 minus 3 upon 2. Since 7 is n, so n की जगह 7 put कर दिया और कुछ नहीं किया. So 7 minus 3 upon 2. So first we need to solve the bracket. So solve कर दो bracket फटाफट से, क्या आ जा रहा है ना. So 7 minus 3 4 into 7 28 upon 2 as it is. So 2 से ये 28 गया 14 times. So 14 is the n. Now have you found out that? Yes, so n is equal to 14. Now you have an octagon, guys. You have an octagon. So octagon has 8 sides. Alright, so put the formula 8 minus 3 upon 2, that is 40 upon 2, that is 20. Now you have a polygon which is 12 sided. So 12 minus 3 upon 2, that is 108 upon 2, that is 54. Yes, do let me know if you have boomed it. Do let me know if you have boomed it or not. Do let me know in the comment section, guys. So before I move further, I really want to solve few problems. अब क्या है कि आप सबकी इतनी सारी प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं एंड आई कम्प्लीटली अंडरस्टैंड, क्योंकि एक टाइम पे ये सारी प्रॉब्लम्स मेरे साथ भी होती थी. ठीक है, सो प्रॉब्लम सबसे पहले मेरे साथ जो होती थी और आपके साथ भी होती है, मैम डाउट्स नहीं सॉल्व हो रहे. ठीक बात है, आई डेफिनेटली एग्री. इफ़ यू हैव अ डाउट while learning a particular topic, you need to solve that instantly, right? You guys do send me in the telegram, you guys do send me in the comment section. I do definitely try to take up maximum of them, but due to time constraints I could not take all the doubts in a particular day, right? तो क्या होता है कि आप भूल भी जाते हो क्या था वो डाउट. So doubts are the things which need to be solved instantly, right? Second, ma'am, notes. I require notes. So ये नोट्स की प्रॉब्लम. टेस्ट और असाइनमेंट की, मैम हाउ डू वी नो दैट वेदर आई हैव लर्नड द पर्टिकुलर चैप्टर efficiently or not? Will I be able to score good in the exams or not? So that problem. Now competitive exams also, we know these days it's a huge competition in the market, so we need to be very effective in competitive exams. We need the preparation of that as well. Also choice of schedule should be ours, right? हमें जिस टाइम पे पढ़ना है वो हम चूज करना चाहते हैं, राइट? ऑल्सो चॉइस ऑफ लैंग्वेज. लैंग्वेज एक बहुत ही बड़ा बैरियर है. समटाइम्स व्हेन आई स्पीक हिंदी, इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग पीपल से मैम हिंदी मत बोलो. हिंदी स्पीकिंग पीपल से स्पीक इन हिंदी ओनली. तो मैम भी इंग्लिश यूज करने लग जाती हैं, राइट? नॉट प्रॉपर हिंदी, नॉट प्रॉपर इंग्लिश, बट आई यूज इंग्लिश, राइट? In order to cater both the speaking language students. सही बात है. So these are the following problems: doubts, notes, test assignment, competitive exams, choice of schedule, choice of language. So these are the problems solved at one point of time. At Vedantu we have solved all these problems with one stop solution for that, that is Vedantu Pro Lite subscription. You need to quickly subscribe to that and you will get these bonuses also. That is unlimited live classes. We are not going to restrict you to take classes. For example, if you have learned a particular chapter from a particular teacher but still you have a doubt, still you have, क्या होता है कि एक टॉपिक कई बार हमें एक टीचर के टीचिंग स्टाइल से नहीं समझ में आता, right? So what we prefer is try to learn it with different teacher. So we are not going to restrict you with the limited classes. You have unlimited access to live classes with different teachers. So we have different master teachers for a particular subject. Yes, so you can take up any teacher's classes. Okay, all micro and crash courses. In this you are free to take up the chapter wise courses or crash courses if you have problem. Also performance report. you will get your performance report, how you have performed in particular chapter, in particular session, what you need to improve upon. So we are going to give you tips and tricks in order to perform better in your exams. Also the personalized attention by the India's best master teachers. So we are really trying hard in order to solve all the problems, guys. So just visit this link, and right now we are having discount offers, so it is being extended a day more. That is 30% extra discount is being given on these occasions, this festive session. So you are getting 30% extra discount. If you are willing, if you face any of these problems, go and quickly subscribe to this Pro Life subscription. What you need to do is select your grade, guys. First select your grade, क्लिक ऑन टारगेटेड एग्जाम, गेट सब्सक्रिप्शन पे क्लिक करो. उसके बाद वी हैव 1 month प्लान, 3 months plan and 6 months plan. So our 1 month plan is initially being given as 4,000, okay, where you are getting 4 subjects by different teachers and you know rest everything. So if you want to take up right now, you have to take up, because we are giving you additional 30% discount because of festive season. Also, if you apply the coupon code, that is 80Pro, you will get additional 15% discount, guys. So go and don't lose this particular offer, discount offer. If you want to take up for 3 months, you can definitely. 6 months have maximum offer, that is already 48% discount plus 30% discounts. If you apply the coupon code 80Pro, you will get more additional discount. So go and don't waste this offer. Just visit this link and use the coupon code 80Pro, guys, and you will definitely feel the difference. Okay, now let's do next question. The angles of the quadrilateral are in the ratio 3:5:7:9. We know angles in the quadrilateral will be 4. So there are 4. So whenever you see the ratios in the question, just convert it into the number by adding x in the ratios. So respectively we are going to name the angles 3x, 5x, 7x and 9x. As simple. Now you need to find the measure of each of these angles. What you need to do is find the measure of these angles. So let the measure of angles of the given quadrilateral be 3x, 5x, 7x and 9x. Now we know, definitely we know, that sum of all the angles of the quadrilateral will be equal to 360 degrees. So therefore 3x, 5x, 7x and 9x, all the 4 angles sum would be equal to 360, 3x plus 5x plus 7x plus 9x. Okay, so 3, 5, 7, 9 will be equal to 24. X is equal to 360 degrees. So x will be equal to 15 degrees. Yes, so we have got x. So now you have to measure the angles. So first angle was 3x. So 3 into x, that is 15. We have just now found. So 15 into 3, 45. Second angle is 5 into x. So 5 into 15, 75. 5 into 15, 75. 7 into 15, 105. 9 into 15, 135. है ना simple? Right? So don't worry, guys, these things are really simple. You just need to apply your logic. Next question is again very simple. It may look complex to you, but these questions are really simple. You just need to observe the pattern. So two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are equal. What do we mean by adjacent? Neighbor, पड़ोसी angles. वो बता दिया है, वो इक्वल होते हैं. And in parallelogram we know that sum of adjacent angles in the parallelogram is equal to 180 degree. What is the measure of these angles? You have to find out. Very amazing question. I already told you, if these two are adjacent angle, then the sum of these two angles will be equal to 180 degree. And question told you that they are equal also. So हो गया सॉल्व, कुछ नहीं बचा इसमें. So let the required angle be x degree. अब मान लो कि वो x डिग्री है. तो एडजेसेंट एंगल उसके होगा, सम एडजेसेंट एंगल का सम होगा x प्लस एक्स डिग्री, दैट इज 180 डिग्री, बिकॉज दे आर इक्वल। तो एक x है तो दूसरा भी x है, क्योंकि वो दोनों इक्वल हैं, और उनका सम 180 है, क्योंकि एडजेसेंट एंगल का सम 180 होता है। ठीक है, सो हेंस वी नो दैट एडजेसेंट एंगल ऑफ द पैरेललोग्राम इज 180 डिग्री। रीजन भी लिख दिया ब्रैकेट में। नाउ x plus x 2x is equal to 180. Now taking this 2 on the right hand side, so 180 degree upon 2, so x will be equal to 180 upon 2, that is 90 degrees. Hence the measure of each angle of these quadrilateral will be equal to 90 degrees. अब each क्यों बोला है ये आपको समझ जाना पड़ेगा, because we have the parallelogram here बेटा, है ना। We know that the adjacent is 90 and 90 because they are equal. So we know opposite angles in the parallelogram are also equal. So this is 90 and this is again 90. I hope you have boomed it. Do let me know if there is any problem in the question. Okay guys. Now next question. Name each of the following parallelogram. First is the diagonal are equal and the adjacent sides are unequal, right? So the diagonals are equal and the adjacent sides are unequal. We all will agree that this is nothing but parallelogram which is having rectangle. Why? Because the diagonals are equal and adjacent sides are unequal. We know that in a rectangle we have diagonals definitely equal to each other, but adjacent sides are not equal, only opposite sides are equal. I hope it is clear. Now let's see the second part. The diagonals are equal and the adjacent sides are equal. So we know that this is nothing but square. We know that this is square because diagonals in this are equal, but also all the sides are equal in the square. So definitely adjacent sides will be equal to each other. Now third part, the diagonals are unequal and the adjacent sides are equal. Very simple. That is nothing but rhombus. Yes, let me explain it to you. We have rhombus where diagonals bisect each other but they are not equal, but adjacent sides are equal because all the sides are equal here. Yes, so that is the basic difference between square and rhombus. Now next part, all sides are equal and one angle is 60 degree. We know that is nothing but rhombus. Okay guys, now fifth part is all sides are equal and one angle is 90 degree. We know it is nothing but the square because we know all sides are equal in square and every angle is equal to 90 degrees. All angles are equal and adjacent sides are unequal. जल्दी से guess करो. Yes, I know you have guessed it. It is nothing but the rectangle. Yes, I hope you have boomed it. Now next question is in front of you. If an angle of a parallelogram is 2/3 of its adjacent angle, what is the smallest angle of the parallelogram? सिंपल है ना. देखो एक एंगल आपको लेट करना पड़ेगा और ये बता दिया है एडजेसेंट एंगल उस एंगल के 2/3 होने वाला है, 2/3 होने वाला है. तो आपको स्मॉलेस्ट एंगल निकालना है. फटाफट से लेट कर लिया. x एक एंगल है. सो वी नो दैट एडजेसेंट एंगल का सम पैरेललोग्राम में 180 डिग्री होता है. तो एक हो गया x, तो 2/3 ऑफ x वुड बी इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री बिकॉज एडजेसेंट एंगल का सम 180 डिग्री होता है. फटाफट से इसको क्विकली सॉल्व कर दो. वी नो x प्लस 2x अपॉन 3 इज इक्वल टू 180 बिकॉज 2x अपॉन 3. नाउ सॉल्विंग इट बाय टेकिंग द LCM. अब LCM लिया तो वी गॉट 3 एंड 5x. सो 5x अपॉन 3 इज इक्वल टू 180. सो x विल बी इक्वल टू 5 विल कम here in multiplication and 5 will go down in division. So 3 upon 5. So we know it is nothing but 108. Why? 5 36. the 180, 36 into 3, that is 108. Now, if one angle that was 108 which you have let, so what is the adjacent angle? That will be 180 minus 108 because adjacent angle का sum होता है 180. तो ये और इसका adjacent angle का sum हो जाएगा 180. तो 180 minus 108, तो ये आ जाएगा adjacent angle. तो ये आ गया 72 degrees. देखो, let's say you have found this x that is 108. So the sum of the adjacent angles will be equal to 180. तो अगर ये 118 का सम होता है और एक 108 है, तो 180 minus 108, that is nothing but we know that is 72 degrees. So ये हो गया आपका smallest angle of the parallelogram. क्योंकि ये हो गया 72 डिग्री, तो ये भी हो गया 72 डिग्री, क्योंकि ऑपोजिट एंगल्स इन पैरेललोग्राम इक्वल. ये 108, तो ये भी 108. तो सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट एंगल हो गया आपका इस पैरेललोग्राम का 72 degrees. So now I hope everybody has boomed all the questions which we have done today. Yes, so I believe my parents are ready for the homework. So this is the homework for the day. If one angle of the parallelogram is 24 degree, less than twice the smallest angle, then the largest angle of the parallelogram will be, come on, 68, 102, 112, 176. इसकी problem solve कर दो guys. I know my pirates will definitely do it. This is the challenge of the day. I want you guys to do it in the comment section and do let me know. So this is the challenge of the day. Do let me know the answer for this in the comment section, guys. So those of you who are interested in pro subscription light plan, stay. Otherwise, you can leave, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. Step number 1, we have to select the grade. Select the CBSE 2021 targeted exam. Then you need to get subscription. Then you have to select your plan, that is 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. So whatever suits you, you can take up and just apply the coupon code, that is 18Pro, in order to get extra 15% discount, guys. Don't miss this offer. You are getting additional 30% discount. So don't miss it, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you never ever miss whenever I am live to teach you guys. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Your captain is signing off. Bye bye.